What if the thing that's making you the most money is secretly making you hate your life? I used to work 6 days a week, 8 to 12 hours a day, grinding, cutting hair, making money, making multiple six figures. But after a couple of years of that, bro, I almost stopped cutting hair completely. So in this video, I want to break down how that grind helped me blow up fast, the part that nobody talks about when you hustling like that, and what I would do differently if I can go back. Because if you're in grind mode right now, this video might help you from burning out just like I did. So stay tuned. I'm about to dive in. Let's get it. All right, y'all, welcome to the Fade Master YouTube channel. On this channel, I like to talk all things barber, business, money, and mindset. So if any of those are of interest to you, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and hit that bell so you get alerted when I post a new video. All right, y'all, so we're gonna break this video down brick by brick, starting with the grind phase, the hidden side, the mindset trap, and then finally the realization that I had and the main message. And I'm gonna need you to watch this video in its entirety and stay to the end so you can get the picture that I'm trying to paint, you feel me? When I first moved to LA, I'm young, hungry, and I'm ready to make it happen, you know what I'm saying? So when I tell you I was working all day, every day, I'm talking about coming in early mornings, leaving late nights. I'm taking walk-ins, I'm passing out cars, I'm posting on social media. I'm doing it all. One thing you couldn't say about me was that I was not in the barbershop. If somebody wanted a cut, bro, I would make it happen. No exceptions. And I'm not gonna lie, bro, that shit worked. My clientele grew rapidly. Within like 6 months, I was booked and the money was coming in heavy. More money than I really ever made in my life. And here's one truth that can't nobody really dispute. Anything you put hella effort into, you're gonna get results. But after doing this for a couple years, that's when things started to shift. And this is the part I didn't see coming. So here's the hidden side of that nobody sees on social media. When you work that hard to stop yourself from burning out, you need something to feel like this grind is worth it. So yeah, I worked hard, but I also played way too hard, bro. I'm talking about I'm going out every weekend. I'm drinking, I'm spending money, I'm taking vacations, I'm buying clothes, I'm buying designer. I'm, you know what I'm saying, getting a fly ass whip. All to make it feel like all this effort that I'm putting in at work is worth it. I had no life outside of work and all that. I'm talking about no hobbies, no balance, ultimately. So then my identity became work, money, repeat. Work, pop my shit, repeat. Work, you see what I'm saying? And this is where the real problem started, but more on that in a second. So I ended up getting stuck with the mindset that grinding is the only way. I'm talking sleep is for the rich, you know, all that bullshit that we get fed on social media. But the problem is when you adopt that mindset, you start valuing money over everything, over peace, over your energy, over time, over family and friends. And those are the real things that actually feed you. All the money and all the material things, they don't really feed you. So when you value too much of that, when you go too much into grind mode, then you start to feel like you lost yourself. And then that's when you burn out, just like I did. And when I say I burned out, I'm not talking about, oh, I need a day off, oh, I need a vacation. No, I'm talking mentally cooked, bro. It got to the point where I was willing to do almost anything but cut hair, and I dreaded going to work. And that's how you know you burnt out, and that's not where you want to get to. And look, side note, if you're a barber or entrepreneur and nobody tells you the real side of the game like this, man, then drop a subscribe, man, because I know I'm spitting fire right now, bro. So look, here's what I know now that I wish I would have known before. I didn't need to work more. I didn't need to add hours. I needed to work smarter. My dad used to always tell me back in the day, work smarter, not harder. And I guess I'm hard-headed because I didn't get it until then. In reality, I could have cut my hours. I could have just raised my prices or set a limit, a time limit to where I was willing to work till, and then charge the after hours price after that time frame. I could have worked smarter, not harder, and doing all those things, I could have still made the same money that I made working less hours. But the problem is, I thought the only solution to success and more money was just to work more. Here's the main message. Grinding really isn't the problem. I do think there is a time and place where you need to grind like that, or you need to work all day, every day, but you need to grind for a season and for a reason. Because if you're in grind mode too long and you end up burning yourself out, you won't just hate the hours that you're putting in. You'll end up hating the thing that was supposed to give you freedom. And once your passion dies, bro, the money can't fix it. If you found value in this video, man, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment if any of this resonated with you. So that's all I got for y'all today, man. It's a pleasure making these videos. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you in the next one. It's your boy, the Fade Master. Peace.